Good morning, students. Today I am going to take a new chapter, vectors. Two types of quantities are there. One is scalar quantity and the second one is vector quantity. Isn't it? Scalar quantity means quantities having only magnitude. But in the case of vector quantity, quantities having both magnitude and direction. Therefore, AB be the vector means this is the simple AB. Understand? Now listen. Any vector small letter a can be written as xi plus yj plus zk. If it is three-dimensional space, then we can write it as xi plus yj plus zk, or if it is in two-dimensional, xi plus yj. Now, the first one is, what is modulus of a vector? Modulus of a vector. Write the heading. Modulus of a vector. Mod A is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Next one. Unit vector in the direction of A, is vector A by modulus of vector A. Vector A by modulus of vector A. Next one is, write the position vector of a point. Next heading, position vector of a point. Let P be the point. Then there is an arbitrary origin O. Then OP is called the position vector of the point P. When you write position vector of a point P means the notation is OP. P is the point and O is an arbitrary origin. Therefore, OP is known as the position vector of a point. Second case, representation of a vector, right? Representation of a vector in terms of position vectors. Representation of a vector in terms of position vectors of its endpoints. Position vectors of its endpoints. Now listen. Let P be a point and Q is another point. Then can you say what is the position vector of P? There is an arbitrary origin. Then OP is the position vector of P and OQ is the position vector of Q. OP is the position vector of P and OQ is the position vector of Q. Understand? Now, can you say what is OP plus OQ? OP plus OQ is equal to PQ. Right. OP plus OQ is equal to PQ. OP plus OQ is equal to QP, isn't it? QP. Write that. A is here, B is here, then. Now here listen. If it is, listen, if it is PQ is small a and QR is B, then PR is A plus B. PR is A plus B. Understand? This law is known as addition law, right? This law is known as addition law, right? Addition law is if PQ is equal to vector A and QR is equal to vector B, PQ means in this direction, QR is in this direction, then this PR is equal to, right, in the margin, PR is equal to PQ plus QR. This is known as vector addition, triangle law of vector addition. Now here, right, PQ is equal to, cancel the first line, PQ is equal to PO plus, not OP, PO plus OQ. PO plus OQ. PO plus OQ. But, right, OP means P, isn't it? OP means P and OQ means Q. OP means, look here, OP means P and OQ means Q. Then what is PO means? PO is in the opposite direction, minus P plus OQ means Q. Therefore, right, therefore, PQ is equal to Q minus P, right? PQ is equal to Q minus P. Then below write PQ, the vector PQ is equal to, write the formula, the vector PQ is equal to position vector of Q minus position vector of P, right? PQ means position vector of Q minus position vector of P. Understand? Right. This is the first part. Then next one, right, next heading, section formula. Section formula. Section formula, right. Here P is a vector and Q is another vector, and this R is a point, and that divides the line in the ratio M is to N. Then R is equal to, the point R is equal to MQ plus NP by M plus N, right? MQ plus NP by M plus N, M plus N, if the division is internally. If the division is internally, then MQ plus NP by M plus N. If the division is internally. Second formula, if the division is externally, OR means position vector of R. That is the meaning. If it is R means the point R. OR is equal to MQ minus NP by MQ minus NP by M minus N. M minus N. Understand? If it is external division, then write MQ minus NP by M minus N. This is the first section. Right? Problems relating the first set. Right, one by one. Question number 1. I will read the question, write the question. Compute the magnitude of vector A equal to I plus j plus k. Vector A equal to I plus j plus k. What is the meaning modulus of a vector? Magnitude means modulus. Root of coefficient of I, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Take the coefficient. Therefore, what is the final answer? Root 3. Right. Root 3. Root 3. Write the next one. Write the next question. 1 by root 3i, right? A equal to 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j plus 1 by root 3k. 1 by root 3k. Can you say the answer? Root of 1 by root 3 the whole square plus 1 by root 3 the whole square plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Say the answer. Root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. What is the answer? Common LCM 3 by 3, that is equal to root 1 means 1. Next question. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector in the direction of A equal to 3i minus 6j plus 2k. 3i minus 6j plus 2k. Unit vector, what's the formula? Unit vector is equal to, right, vector A by modulus of vector A. Vector A by modulus of vector A. Therefore, you have to find modulus of vector A. Root of, say the answer, 3 square plus minus 6 square plus 2 square. That is 9 plus 36 plus 4. Root 49. What is the answer? 7. 7. Therefore, again write unit vector in the direction of A is vector A. That means 3i minus 6j plus 2k the whole divided by 7. Or you can separate it as 3 by 7i minus 6 by 7j plus 2 by 7k. Unit vector, very important, unit vector in the direction of A is vector A by modulus of vector A. Vector A by modulus of vector A. Right. Next question. Write two different vectors having same direction. Write two different vectors having same direction. You can write any vector. A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Then you can write a B as, write any multiple of this vector. You can multiply it by 5. Then what is the answer? 5i plus 10j plus 15k. Multiply by 5 or by 2 or by 3. Then A and B are two vectors having the same direction. Understand? How to write the vectors having the same direction means you have to write any vector, then multiply by 2 or multiply by 3, 5, 4, any number. Next question. Find the value of x and y so that 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. These two vectors are equal means, right, 2i plus 3j equal to xi plus yj. What is the meaning? Equal. Each component, I component same. Therefore, x equal to 2 and j component, that is y equal to 3. If there is z component, equate that z component. Next question. Next question. Find the sum of the vectors. Find the sum of the vectors. A is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and B is the vector 7i plus 4j minus or plus 6k. What does the sum means? A plus B means add the I components. Look here. Add the I components means 2 plus 7, 9i plus 3 plus 4, 7j plus 6 plus 4, 10k. This is the meaning sum of two vectors. Sum of two vectors. Write one more question. A is equal to I minus 2j plus k, and B is equal to minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k. What is A plus B? I minus 2. What is the answer? Minus I. Plus 4 minus 2, 2j. Plus 5 plus 1, 6k. Minus I. Minus I plus 2j plus 6k. If one more vector is there, same procedure. Add the I components, then add the j components, then add the k components. Okay. Right. For the given vectors, A equal to 2i minus j plus 2k, A equal to 2i minus j plus 2k, B equal to minus I plus j minus k. Find a question, very important question. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector in the direction of A plus B. Find a unit vector in the direction of A plus B. Therefore, what's the first step? You have to find what is A plus B. Then say the answer A plus B. Add the I components. You repeat this A and B below. Understand? Here write, then only you have to write A plus B. What is the answer? Say the answer loudly. 2i minus I. Minus j plus j cancel. Plus 2 minus k. What is the answer? Plus k. I plus k. Agree? Then find modulus of A plus B. What is the formula? Modulus of A plus B. 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 2. Then what is unit vector in the direction of A plus B? Unit vector, right? Unit vector in the direction of A plus B is A plus B by mod A plus B. A plus B by mod A plus B. What is your A plus B? I plus j by root 2. I plus j by root 2. Right? 1 by root 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j. If you separate the components, 1 by root 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j. Okay. Next question. Next question. Find a vector in the direction of, find a vector in the direction of the vector 5i minus j plus 2k, in the direction of the vector 5i minus j plus 2k, which has magnitude 8 units. Which has magnitude 8 units. Find a vector in the direction of the vectors. Therefore, first you have to find the unit vector in the direction of this vector. We can name it as vector A. Then first you have to find modulus. Root of 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. Say the answer. 25 plus 1, 26 plus 4, 30. Right, root 30. Then you have to write unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of A is vector A, 5y minus j plus 2k by root 30. Here one more step, which has a magnitude of 8 unit means you have to find 8 into vector A. That's enough. 8 into vector A means 8 into 5y minus j plus 2k by root 30. Say the answer. 8 5s are 40i minus 8j plus 16k by root 30. If it has magnitude 8 unit means you have to find unit vector in the direction of A first, then multiply by 8. Here the number is 8, therefore you write 8. If it is 15, you have to write 15 into. Okay. Finish? Okay, do it.